Welcome back to the Barely Legal team, guys. Once again, I'm back on a ferry. Another parts run for the BLT. It's completely stopped. Alright guys, I got a little time to kill yet here right downtown Vancouver until I pick up my parts from Scott 37 Enterprises. So I'm gonna actually walk right into the Ferrari dealership and check it out. Never been. I'm sure there's some pretty sick rides inside, but here we go. Check out all these Ferraris. This is absolutely location classified. It's crazy Ferrari, super fast. All carbon package on it. Unbelievable. Wow, that was incredible, guys. As soon as I walked in, I said, hey, can I film in your wonderful showroom? And they said, as long as it's only for you. And I said, yes, it's only for me. I'm the only one going to watch it. But believe it or not, I filmed secretly inside. The amount of Ferraris up there was incredible. Like, I was blown away. And not only that, the guy that brought me up to the top floor, the 4th floor where they keep all of them, not even in the showroom, was the janitor. He goes, hop in the elevator with me. I'm gonna go take you up to the top and we can take a look at all of them. And I secretly filmed up there. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but wow, that's a lot of Ferraris. Like, I guess you could say it was a proliferation of Ferraris, but wow, unbelievable. Just don't tell anybody I filmed. I wasn't supposed to film up there, but I did. So there you go. I went and picked up the new carbon fiber side skirts for the GTR, and here they are. One is wrapped already in protective tape just for transport, but here's the other one. It's not wrapped up yet, and just to put the tape on to protect it for transport so the carbon doesn't get scratched. That is the brand new carbon side skirts for the GTR. Pretty happy with them. They're not even used. The guy never ever put them on the car, so that's a good thing. They're not all chipped up and whatnot, but yeah, I'm happy with them. It's going to take a little bit of modification to get them on. You have to drill in these areas here and here to actually mount the side skirt on the vehicle, but not a big deal. We can handle that. I'll be doing that in the future to get it on the GTR. So it's all right, you guys. We have arrived at 37 wraps. Scott is the owner of the company. He's a good friend of mine. 37 wraps and designs. What we've done, we've not only got the side skirts for the GTR, but we've also obtained a carbon hood, a GT3 carbon hood for the GTR. Now Scott, as we speak, is wrapping it in the color of the GTR, the diamond white. So I haven't seen it yet, but I can't wait to see it. He's wrapping all around the carbon and leaving some exposed carbon and whatnot through the vents, and it's going to be crazy. But we'll show it to you as soon as I get in and I can actually see it myself. But don't forget, it's 37 Enterprises. Look what I found here. once again, you had to discreetly film in there, but that is a 50th anniversary Nissan GTR in Bayside Blue. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, what a nice car. Such a nice color up close. Wow. Not like this toilet. Okay guys, I'm with Scott at 37 Enterprises. This is Scott, everyone. And we're gonna check out the hood that he wrapped for me last night. Proper daylight. Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Wow. It's got the carbon. Left the carbon exposed in these spots. The hood vents. Yeah, right on. Good job. Thanks. All right, once again, there you go, guys. We're at 37 Enterprises. Scott did a great job on the GTR hood. The new carbon hood. I do have loaded up right now. Now we're gonna get back on the ferry and head her back to town. Yeah, we just got on. Like, 2 more cars would be screwed. Right on. Okay, we finally made it back. It's pretty late at night now. There's the old GTR hood that'll be replaced, and here is the new one, right here. Okay guys, we got the old hood off, and now the new carbon fiber new hood on. The fitment is okay. I'll get Harrison to lower it down here. Fitment here is good, and then along here is a little bit gapped out, but it's otherwise it isn't that bad at all. Like, and you're gonna get that with carbon fiber aftermarket parts every time, so it ain't bad. So I think because this has aftermarket shocks that it might be pushing up the hood struts. It might be pushing up on the hood while it's down, and that's what's causing this gap. To eliminate that, you would just use your hood pin, but I'm not gonna do that. Like, the hood struts are way better than a hood prop pin, whatever. So yeah, I'll go with it. I think it's fine the way it is. Leave a comment below. What do you guys think of the new hood? There's a couple more things to do. We're gonna put a door card on, and for the number, and we're gonna put a couple seals in here, but other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna do the finishing touches, and we'll show you in the end exactly what it's like, and we'll bring it outside tomorrow. Okay guys, we're back. The one thing we have to do today is we have to mount the pins for the bracket for the hood latches. To actually, the pin has to come up, mounted to the frame here, and comes up through the latch, and that's what holds the hood down once the hood is put into place. And in order to do that, we have to take out these headlights, because the pin comes up through the headlight mounting hole and that's where it's mounted to hold the hood into place when it's in the resting position. In order to do that, we have to take the wheels off. Inside fenders have to come out. Then the bumper has to come off, and then that's the only way to access the bottom bolt on the headlight. That has to come out in order for me to get this metal mounting, whatever that thing is in there. Probably have to push it out, and then the pin will sit in there after. Okay guys, you can see the front bumper is now off the car, and the inside of the wheel wells, the plastics have been taken out, and the wheels off. Obviously the wheels are off, but now you can finally get at this bolt here that holds the headlight on. It's not only these two here, it's actually one buried deep in here. So there was no way you were going to move the headlight to get it out of the way if you didn't take this bumper off first. So we'll get the hood pins in for here, and then we'll you can adjust it slowly and really finely to get the right length on them and whatnot to line up with the latch itself. So we'll do that next. Okay guys, we finally got it mounted, the pin. It works. The hood comes down. It lines up enough for the latch to latch onto it. It's tight, so it has to sort of move the pin this way as it comes down onto it, but it's almost better that way because it puts a little pressure on it and it holds the hood really tight. And then Harrison's just reinstalling the front headlight here. So yeah, once again, we got to drill out this rivet, headlight rivet. We know what to do now. We'll drill that one out next, and then we'll install the other one. Hopefully it is as tight as the other one is. Worked really well. Okay, we got the front bumper back on. Side markers in. Hood pins, like you already knew, are in. The under tray is not bolted up yet, but and the front tires aren't on, but yeah, the front bumper is on. And we're not going to reveal the hood going down onto the front bumper until we get it outside, and I'll reveal the whole thing outside so everybody can see it when it's ready. Alright guys, there you go. The new carbon fiber hood for the BLT GTR. You can see that Scott from 37 Wraps has wrapped the carbon in certain places that he wanted to and left carbon exposed, which I think is a great touch. I love this hood. I think it's a really good add-on to this car. If you haven't already, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and like this video. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the new carbon hood. I myself, I think I've wanted one for years, and I think it's a great add-on. Alright you guys, that's it for this video. We got the carbon hood on the GTR. Trip to Vancouver, what a great time. Thanks to Scott, 37 Wraps, what a great job. Highly shout out him, he's awesome. And his business is great. But until next time, we'll see you in the next vlog. Aside from my soul.